ENCO 12 by 36 inch bench lathe. We have it powered up so you can see it run. Hit the start button. Here's your inching. Here's your forward and reverse. Alright, so the lead screw and the feed screw are not operational. These will not operate. I think there might be a problem with one of the gears inside the gearbox right here for your threading. It does turn a little bit if you manually turn it. It catches the gear. Stop. That all operates. Tested all the speeds. All the speeds operate very finely. And of course it manually turns on the apron here. Your cross feed. All the other functions on the tailstock. Everything operates fine on here. This comes with a 2-axis DRO. This is ANLAM Wizard 411. Okay, we check that out. That all operates very nicely. Includes a backing plate, operations, and instruction manual. Forward jaw chuck, toolbox with tools, and metric change gears.